Hey guys, Akash here. So today we are going to fill the United States tax form on the phone. So the first step is to fill your basic information. You also get an option to fill the quarantine. So in that place you have to mention your PAN number. In the case of your address, if the postal address is same, you just have to click same and next. Under tax treaty you have to select yes, then the residency of your country, select the name. So as moving down, you have to select the services, Article 7 and paragraph 1 with 0%. Next is Article 12, paragraph 24 with 15%. And third is Article 12, paragraph 2A with 15% reduction. So let's click here, press next. Here you get the documentation preview or the details that you have filled. You can review it. Click on confirm and then next. So under certification part, you have to click on yes, enter your legal name as your full name mentioned on the AdSense. So under activities and service performed in US and affidavit, you have to select no if you are an Indian who is creating videos or content in India. Select I certify. So under tax reporting part, you have to select go paperless, then accept the paperless delivery agreement. Click on submit. So this is how we can fill the US tax form within a minute or two. So that is for today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell icon and don't forget to like the video. Bye for now.